Welcome to another video in the Ryzen AI developer series. In this video, we'll cover how to install and run Lemonade Server with a newly released tool called Peel. With Peel, you can have an LLM help right in your PowerShell terminal, keeping your embarrassing PowerShell mishaps to yourself. Peel is a PowerShell module that extends the capabilities of PowerShell by integrating with Lemonade Server. It offers seamless access to LLM-powered assistants directly within the terminal, providing contextual help based on the terminal's scrollback. Peel works by sending your terminal history to a local large language model. To learn more about Peel, follow the link shown here and in the video description. To get started, navigate to the Peel repo using the link shown here and provided in the video description. We start by cloning the source code. Once that completes, we'll navigate into the Peel directory and run the install PowerShell script. Once installation completes, you'll see the newly added Peel module when you open a new terminal. If you've been following along on our other videos, you might already have Lemonade Server installed, but if you don't, you can run the command install lemonade, which will download and install Lemonade Server. This will prompt you to run the executable. Then you can step through the installer. Here, we're keeping the default selections. Once installation completes, select the checkbox to Run Lemonade Server and click Finish. If you've previously installed Lemonade Server, you can run the server by clicking the Lemon desktop icon. Once Lemonade Server is running, we can try using Peel. Let's start by typing in a command such as git pull request, which I know is not a real command, and so I should get an error. Then I use get aid to call in help from Peel. This sends your terminal history to the LLM to get help. The response explains that this was not a valid git command and suggested the correct syntax. To confirm that we're running the LLM locally, I can pull up the task manager and see the integrated GPU and the NPU being utilized. When we call getAid, Peel sends the last 50 lines of the terminal history to Lemonade Server and uses the Llama 3 hybrid model with 3 billion parameters. If we didn't like the response we got, we can also use getMoreAid. This is like getAid, but uses Qwen 1.57 billion parameter model. And lastly, if we've got a really tough one, we can also call getMaximumAid, which uses the DeepSeek reasoning Qwen model with 7 billion parameters as the backend LLM. Not only is Peel great as a user, but it's also valuable as a reference design. Peel has full integration with Lemonade Server, including installation, starting the server, and accessing specific models. Including the application logic, the project is roughly 400 lines of code, all because Lemonade Server is so easy to build into your application. Thanks for watching. To see other applications that we've tested with Lemonade Server, navigate to the Featured Apps page found at this link. Or try adding it into your own application and let us know about it at lemonade@amd.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to see future content.